Today we will learn how to master phone photography. With a mobile phone is a common thing on various social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram. Therefore, some people seek to learn professional photography techniques to succeed in taking professional photos. What encourages young people to learn how to take photos with a phone camera is the use of some famous people on TikTok and Instagram. Mobile camera and photography before achieving fame and success and attracting. Learning photography with the phone has become available on many educational platforms. Today, professional photography techniques can be learned with ease in light of the high quality provided by modern phone cameras, making phone photos compete with digital camera photos. Taking photos and recording videos with a mobile phone is a common thing on various social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram. Therefore, some people seek to learn professional photography techniques to succeed in the largest number of followers. If you want to master phone photography, these tips will help you on how to take attractive photos like digital photography professionals. Does the phone camera have an impact on the professionalism of photos? There is no doubt about the extent to which smartphone camera specifications affect the quality of photos. Therefore, when buying a new phone, you must know the specifications of the front and rear cameras. There are some phones that, when taking photos with them, are of poor quality, either because the camera specifications are weak or they need strong lighting in order to take photos. It is of high quality. There are also some smartphones, such as the iPhone versions, that take pictures without adding aesthetic effects. The importance of lighting in professional photography. Good lighting is one of the most important secrets to a photographer's success, especially when taking photos with a phone. This is due to the inability of the sensors in the camera to deal with weak lighting, so it is necessary not to rely on the phone's flash when photographing. Obtaining a high-quality photo requires lowering the ISO level in the camera settings in order to avoid the problem of poor quality in the photo when taking it. It is preferable to set the camera's ISO settings to the level of 100 in order to succeed. It is essential to obtain sufficient lighting either by artificial lighting or by exploiting solar planes, but despite the help of lamplight it is always preferable to rely on natural lighting. Attention should be drawn to photography specifically, not directly to the rays of light but rather to photographic techniques that leave the light projected onto the object whose image is to be captured. Tips for learning the arts of photography. Avoid using phone flash lighting. Make sure to clean the camera before shooting. Do not use the zoom, as it is not in the picture. Try to take advantage of sunrise and sunset, as this is the best time for photography. A professional photographer does not use a lot of effects and tools when taking photos.